Husqvarna Automower, the original and most advanced robotic mower, works around the clock, rain or shine, to deliver a perfectly cut lawn with minimum effort required by you. And installation is simple. Let the experts handle it. Around the world, Husqvarna's dealer network consists of a team of experts that offer you everything from spare parts to completely tailored service solutions. With over 20 years of innovation, testing and refinement, the Husqvarna Automower is the most advanced robotic mower on the market, and our dealer network is the most experienced when it comes to installation. Our experts know the capabilities of the Husqvarna Automower and will help you achieve the best possible coverage of your garden, creating an installation that delivers superior cutting results, even in complex and challenging areas. While self-installation is relatively simple, it does take time without the right tools. If you want the perfect lawn without any effort, then let our experts do the work for you. Your Husqvarna dealer has the right tools and know-how to install the mower in the most effective way. Your local expert will configure the settings on your Automower according to your personal specifications and garden conditions. They will provide you with comprehensive training of the product and leave you with an installation that you understand and that works from day one. Once installed, Husqvarna Automower requires a minimum of maintenance during the season. However, regular cleaning and replacing safety blades with new Husqvarna genuine safety blades is recommended for best results. Your Husqvarna dealer can help with this, offering full service and spare parts support. Should you experience any problems with your Husqvarna Automower, your local expert can provide a wide range of support, including everything from remote monitoring via Automower Connect to a more simple service solution. They are here to help. After a hard-working summer, let your local expert take care of your Automower. Your local Husqvarna dealer can provide an Automower winter service, which includes a thorough cleaning, diagnostic check, replacement parts and software upgrade as required. Contact your local authorized Husqvarna dealer for expert advice, service and support.